Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery. Welcome to today's 5 Minute Friday. And today we are dividing this fantastic Achillea plant. Now it might not look fantastic now, we're obviously right at the beginning of the season, but these are hardy plants. You can actually grow them from root cuttings, but today I'm going to divide them. And this is a 9 centimetre pot, so I'm actually only going to divide it in two, but it does mean you get twice the amount of plants. The great thing about doing this as well, it's not just the benefit of getting an extra plant, which is obviously good. One of the benefits we really like about it is that it actually benefits the plant you're dividing. It gives it a bit more breathing space, a bit of fresh compost, and will just grow that much more vigorous. So believe it or not, I've got a carving knife here. That just works really well. We've used bread knives before, they work well. So what we want to do is we get the mother plant, the plant we're going to divide up, and I'm going to give it a good squeeze. This is a well-established plant, around about a year old, and they are quite vigorous growers anyway, so they establish nicely. So what I'm going to do is just release the roots from the pot by giving it a good squeeze, and then turn it upside down and just lift the pot off, just like that. And you can see from the root ball, there's a nice lot of roots there. And then I'm literally just going to take it down the centre here. What you'll find is with a plant of this age, which isn't that old, I know, but you'll find that there's natural areas where it clumps together, natural areas of growth. And on this plant, you can see there's almost 3 natural areas here, one here, and one there. So I'm just going to take it straight down the centre. One of the plants is obviously going to get 2 natural areas of growth, and the other one just 1. But that's not a problem at all. Could divide this into 3 to give you an idea. So I get the carving knife, which is nice and sharp, and I'm just literally going to cut down the centre. And as you move through it, you will hear cutting of roots. It's not a problem at all. It's more than happy with that. And it's as simple as that. You end up with 2 nice neat clumps of root. Okay? They will grow really, really happily. So what I do now, you could go a slightly bigger pot than what I'm going to use. So we've got the old plot here, and we've got a new one here. But what I'll do now is I'll just place the plant in there and then just top up the compost around the edge. Now, while you're doing this, I guarantee you're going to get it all over the plant. It's not a problem. It'll wash off when you water it. Just like that. And before long, within a couple of weeks, maybe not in this weather, but within at least a month, you won't even know you've done it, okay? And it will grow very happily. And we just repeat the process for the other one as well. Just tuck in some compost in there. I'm using a good quality multi-purpose compost. Nice lot of drainage, nice lot of nutrition in it. And that is done. Simple as that. Now with these plants, you can still grow them outside. This one is just in a very cold greenhouse, so I'll put them exactly where they've come from. But they are hardy plants, so there won't be an issue at all with them. If you're doing it in the later months where it's a bit sunnier, keep them in a shadier position until they establish. Keep the compost moist but not wet, and it will grow more than happily. It's as simple as that. So any questions at all, obviously get in contact. We're here to help. See you soon.